In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mansfield Relative Strength RS indicator on Tradingview. Start by opening Tradingview and loading the chart of the stock you want to analyze. Use the symbol search at the top to pick your ticker, and make sure you are viewing the time frame you care about so the indicator lines up with your analysis. Next, click the Indicators button in the top toolbar. In the search bar that appears, type Mansfield Relative Strength. From the Community Scripts section, choose Mansfield Relative Strength Original Version by Stage Analysis. The indicator will instantly appear in a separate panel below your main price chart, so you can read it without cluttering your candles or bars. Here is what you are seeing. The Mansfield Relative Strength indicator compares your chosen stock to a benchmark index, which by default is the S&P 500. It tracks whether your stock is doing better or worse than that benchmark and uses a 52-week moving average to smooth the performance line. The most important reference is the zero line. When the Mansfield line is above zero, your stock is outperforming the benchmark. When it's below zero, it's underperforming. Sustained time above zero often points to leadership and supports longer-term bullish ideas, while persistent readings below zero flag relative weakness. Don't just glance at the level, watch the slope. An upward sloping line indicates improving relative momentum, even if price action looks quiet. A downward slope warns that the stock is slipping versus the market, which can cue more caution or selectivity. Crosses around the zero line can signal shifts in leadership. Retests that hold above zero often reinforce strength, while repeated failures to reclaim zero suggest ongoing weakness. You can tailor the indicator to your needs. Hover over its title in the lower pane and click the gear icon to open settings. There, you can change the base index if you want to compare your stock to a different benchmark, such as a regional market or a sector index. You can also adjust the moving average lengths. A shorter length reacts faster but can be choppier. A longer length is smoother and better for big picture trends. For best results, apply this on weekly or daily charts. Weekly charts reduce noise and highlight long-term leadership. Daily charts then help refine timing, while you keep the broader relative strength context in view. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.